AquaKart Motorized Floaty is marketed as a motorized inflatable watercraft that lets you cruise across lakes, pools, and other calm waterways with ease. The promotional videos make it look fast, powerful, and incredibly fun. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate product category and can provide a fun recreational experience when used on calm water. What it does well, fun on the water. It offers a unique way to relax and explore calm lakes, pools, and sheltered waterways. Portable design. Because it's inflatable, it's much easier to transport and store than a traditional boat, where the hype falls apart. It's not a jet ski. The speed, acceleration, and handling are far more limited than a personal watercraft. Battery life varies. Runtime depends on rider weight, speed, water conditions, and battery capacity. Inflatable construction requires care. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and improper storage can damage the material. So, should you buy the AquaKart Motorized Floaty? Short answer, yes, if you're looking for a fun novelty watercraft. If you want a relaxing motorized float for calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting high-speed performance or rough water capability, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.